Hey guys, how's it going? It's Andre from Website Design Lab here. Hope everyone's doing okay. Just wanted to talk a little bit about website speed, and I apologize while I get these windows going here. But if you go to my blog, websitedesignlab.ca, there's this article, How Website Speed is Hurting Your Business, and there's a pretty epic infographic here. If we go to Hosting Tribunal, with some really compelling information here that I didn't even realize about. For example, a 1 second delay in page load time means 11% decline in page views. And another one here, an extra 0.5 seconds in each search page generation would cause traffic to drop by 20%. So it's extremely important to have a fast and optimized web page. There was a case study here. Let me find it on Amazon. Where is it? Yeah, so for every 1 second of improvement, Walmart experienced up to a 2% increase in conversions. And yeah, where's that Amazon one here? Amazon, here you go. Amazon did a test which showed that they would lose 1.6 billion a year if the speed slowed by just 1 second. So it's so important that we have to take it into account when building our web pages. And of course, the foundation of any WordPress site, of any site, is starting with our theme. And the theme is kind of like the foundation of our website. And we have to make sure we pick a theme that's optimized for speed. And not all of them are. In fact, most aren't. If you're downloading themes from ThemeForest, for example, you got to be really careful. Make sure that they specify that it's optimized. Otherwise, it could really slow our site down. So today, because of the importance of it, I'm going to show you what I do to test themes before I buy them for page speed. And we're going to use three tools. First is Pingdom Website Speed Test, GTmetrix, and webpagetest.org. Okay, those are the URLs there. So what we got to do is first to go to our theme URL. The two themes that I work with primarily are Astra and Ocean WP, both fantastic themes. So if you go to your theme website, go to the demo sites. In this case, it's called starter sites for Astra. And let's just pick one here. Okay, interior design firm. And what we're going to do is copy the URL of the demo site into our web page test. So let's start with Pingdom here. We'll post the Astra theme URL, and testing from, we basically just want to pick a test server that's located on the same continent as close as possible geographically to where our theme is hosted from. Now, I don't know where the Astra theme is hosted, but I assume it's in North America, so I'm just going to pick Washington and start the test. Okay, and then while we're at it, while we're waiting, I'm going to do the same thing for GTmetrix. Just back out of this here. And we'll do the same for this one as well. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, so the Astra theme gets a grade of 75, load time of 1.7 seconds. So it's pretty good. It gets a really good grade. And here we can see a breakdown of what has taken the longest to load. You can see images. That's a big size for image, 3.8 megabytes. I'm sure there's some optimization we can do there to reduce the file size. But usually with websites, that's the biggest culprit of speed, and that's an easy fix. And there's some scripts here as well that are taking up some time. So GTmetrix, for some reason, it scores Astra really low. I don't know why. It's a little strange, but it gives us some useful information there. And web page test, I like to use this tool because if you go in here, it gives you this waterfall view which shows you exactly in milliseconds which element and which resource on your web page is taking the load and what time it's taking to load. So if we're trying to diagnose our website for speed issues, we can go here and actually see what the culprits really are and fix them accordingly. So that's the Astra theme. Now let's go to Ocean WP, and we'll pick a demo. Let's do this one. Right. Okay, we'll copy that and go back to our Pingdom test. Start it. Same with this one. Start that. Okay, and did it start? Yeah, there we go. And let's see what we got here. So the Ocean WP performance grade of B, 86, which is really high. Load time of half a second, which is fantastic. Yeah, so that's really, really good. And one thing you'll notice sometimes if you're using some Google Fonts obviously is hosted on Google servers, which takes some time to fetch that data request. So a lot of websites use it, but that's going to add time to your page load speed. So you can try hosting those scripts, downloading some fonts locally to your web server. That could speed things up. But yeah, so you can analyze here what is causing the most delays on your website. Let's go to GT Metrics now. Again, ranks Ocean WP really high, an A. And the web page test, let's see here, load time 3.5 seconds. It seems strange. I don't know if I trust that. It's probably the image that is taking the longest time. It's waiting for the web server, which is very strange. No other website reported that. But you can see a lot of load time here is taken up just with the images. So again, that's an easy fix that we can implement in just minimizing that image size and compressing them a little bit. So I hope that was informative for you guys. Again, these are just the tools I use to analyze themes. And these are the two that I generally use when building client sites. Ocean WP and Astra, just fantastic themes. Very reliable and optimized, and you can't go wrong with these, picking any of these two. So if you guys liked the video, just don't forget to hit the like button or subscribe below, and talk to you guys later.